Welcome to my channel Living Linux. This tablet that I bought last year, it died and I sent it back for repair. They repaired it. I'm not really sure what they actually did, but it seems to be working again. When you look on the internet, there are more people that complain about mysterious crashes, and some people say that you have to clear the cache of the Lenovo Launcher, and that's what I'm going to show here. Of course, it's not really a guarantee that it will no longer crash, but at least we can try. Clear cache. Well, in this case, let's hope that the repair was done properly and we're all good to go. What I did notice, and I think this is surprising for a tablet from 2019, is that this tablet actually also has FM radio. Now you might wonder, like, who is still listening to FM radio nowadays? But I mean, with this whole COVID-19 crisis, in Europe, Netflix was asked to cut down on the bandwidth, and some people, they might even foresee a power outage. And in that case, in the case of a power outage, my Wi-Fi will go down, and perhaps some people, they have unlimited data from their phone, so they can still listen to the radio or watch television on that. But for people that don't have unlimited data, in that case FM radio might be a good alternative. Now, when you start the radio app, it says please plug in a headset to use FM radio. And that's what we're going to do. And just in case you don't understand why it needs a wired headset, the wired headset is actually going to be used as the antenna. So a Bluetooth headset will not work, you really need a wired headset. Now, and the audio now goes through the headset, and you might think, well, I don't want to have the audio on the headset, I want to have it on the speakers. That's also possible. So when you click that headset icon, so now
Op de tweede plek, maar één ding is duidelijk, kan snel gaan in de energielijst van Nederland.
So you can see that
het is al laat toch? Pas op zich nog wel mee, het is 5:30. Zometeen ontknoping, alle...
you might see that it jumps in steps of
antwoord op die prangende vraag. Wie?
Point 2, and in Europe we can jump by 0.1. So you have to check the regional band, and you can choose Europe or you can use your specific country. So when we go back,
Woord Janine.
Nou, bij Indicia zeggen we, smeer niet op je huid wat je niet kunt eten. Wij verkopen alleen cosmetica zonder twijfelachtige ingrediënten.
and now you can see that it goes in steps of 0.1. Well, of course, depending on the quality of the wire and if you are inside or outside, that can have an impact on how many stations you can actually receive.
Een crisis sinds de Tweede Wereldoorlog. Ik heb zoiets in mijn leven nog niet meegemaakt. We leven in een land.
And I'm trying to find a channel that has good reception. And I'm actually probably less than, well, perhaps around 10 kilometers away from a radio tower. So I should actually have good reception. And here you can see that it also picks up the text that some stations send along with the music.
Er komt toch opvang voor kinderen die thuis niet veilig zijn of daar niet aan leren toekomen. Gemeenten krijgen de mogelijkheid om ze op te vangen in bijvoorbeeld de Biep of in een buurthuis.
So the reception is not really good, but I'd say in cases of an emergency, it's better than nothing. And is this the only modern device that still can receive FM radio? No, I also have an older LG G5 that is also able to receive FM radio. So this is the LG G5. I don't need to show it again on the LG G5. And the LG G5 also has an infrared blaster, so I can also use it as an infrared remote. The tablet doesn't have an IR blaster. I think nowadays hardly any device has an infrared blaster anymore. So I'm still holding on to the LG G5. Well, this is all for today, and I hope to see you again in my next video.